Hello friends, good evening. Today we go with the Ramsar Convention. This is one of the very important convention which is related to the wetlands across the world, which has a international importance. So for conservation and sustainability of these wetlands, there was one convention which was took place in the Ramsar in Iran. So therefore the name has been given the Ramsar Convention. The particular convention has been signed in 1974, 2 Feb. So 2 Feb we are celebrating as a international day, bird wetland day every year. The only purpose of this the conservation and sustainable of the wetlands. So if I take the today, if I take in February 2020, the total number of wetland are 2,331 as of 2018 May. From the India, if I talk about the 37 sites has been included from the India as of February 2020. The recently the meetup which was took place in the in Dubai, UAE. So every three years they have a meetup. So whatever has been taken in the 3 years, they locate up and do the discussions. Next, so what exactly wetlands are? So before I take you to the wetlands, what are the wetlands has been included in the Ramsar Convention? What are the wetlands are? A wetland is a distinct ecosystem that is flooded by the water, either permanently or seasonally. Or I can say it is a land actually which is surrounded by the water, which has a water, but which is distinct from the peninsula or any other landmass, because of where we have oxygen-free process. They have other distinguished factors like a characteristic of the vegetations, which like aquatic plants adapted to aquatic hydric soil. So they have a different kind of features along with the landmass which is surrounded by the water. So why wetlands are more important, because they have a unique features from the other landmass. So like in terms of vegetation characteristic of the aquatic plants, or they have a unique properties of the fauna and flora. So therefore they are more important than other landmarks. Ramsar wetland site in India. Now, what are the sites which are being listed as a Ramsar convention as a part of the wetland, as a part of the Ramsar wetland from the India? Because India, we have a huge amount of national park, wildlife sanctuary, biosphere reserve, but from them actually which are the eligible to be a part of the Ramsar wetland, so they are included in, or every year they do the survey. If they found some new sites, they has been included in it also. So far actually what are the site are the part of Ramsar Convention. So in India actually it was started from 1981. The first time in 1981, two sites has been selected, or two wetlands has been selected from India. One is Chilka Lake, Odisha. Chilka Lake from the Odisha, very important lake, and Kevladev National Park from Rajasthan, which is very close to Agra, located in the Bharatpur. The famous for the migratory birds. So two sites has been selected: Chilka Lake from the Odisha and Kevladev National Park from Rajasthan. After 9 years, again in 1990, four sites has been selected from India. One is Harki Wetland from the Punjab, Loktak Lake from the Manipur, and Sambhar Lake from the Rajasthan again. So in 1981, one site has been from the Rajasthan. In 1990, again the Sambhar Lake from the Rajasthan, and Bulal Lake from the Jammu and Kashmir, well-known lake from the Jammu and Kashmir. So four site has been selected in 1990. Next in year 2002, the many sites has been selected in the bulk. The more than many sites has been selected in 2002, where the convention has been taken place actually. So selected whole lot of sites from the India. First is Astamuni wetland from the Kerala, Bhitarkanka Mangur forest from the Odisha again, Bhoj wetland that Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Deopar Bhil from Assam, East Kolkata wetland from the West Bengal, and Kanjli wetland from the Punjab again. Koleru Lake from Andhra. There are two lakes which are popular in Andhra. One is Hulikit Lake, one is Koleru. So Koleru is a part of the wetlands in from the Andhra Pradesh. Point Calimere Wetland Birdlife Sanctuary from the Tamil Nadu, and Pongdong Lake from the Himachal Pradesh. It is part of the in 2002. We have more from the 2002. Ropar Wetland from the Punjab. It is a part of wetland, the Ramsar Convention. Tisumorni from the Ladakh. Bimbed Coal Wetland from the Kerala. So these are the sites has been selected in 2002. In further 2005, after 3 years, a few more sites has been listed in the Ramsar wetland list. Chandratal from Himachal Pradesh, Renuka Lake again from Himachal Pradesh, Hokera wetlands from Jammu and Kashmir, Harke wetlands from the Punjab, and Hokera wetland located in the Jammu and Kashmir. Surinsar Mansar Lake in Jammu and Kashmir, Rudhasagar Lake from Tripura, important lake. Sastmukota Lake from Kerala, Upper Ganga River located in Uttar Pradesh. So it is the only first site up till 2005 which have been taken as a part of wetland Ramsar Convention. Again in 2002, only one site has been taken as a part of Ramsar Convention, which is Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, Gujarat. So up to 2012, there are 26 sites has been taken from the India in the different years. It started from 1981, then 1990, then 2002, 2005, and 2012. So up till 2012, only 26 sites belong from India. After 2012, in 2019, the whole lot of 11 the sites has been taken as a part of wetland Ramsar Convention. Bias Convention Reserves Conservation Reserve from the Punjab, Kesopur Miami Community Reserve from Punjab, and Nangal Birdlife Sanctuary from Punjab, Pol from the Punjab, and Nandur Madmeshwar from the Maharashtra, and Nawabganj Birdlife Sanctuary from the Uttar Pradesh, Parvati Agra Birdlife Sanctuary from Agra, and Saman Bird Sanctuary from Uttar Pradesh, and Samastpur Birdlife Sanctuary from Uttar Pradesh, and Sandhi Bird Sanctuary from Uttar Pradesh. Two more. Sarsarai Navar Jheel from Uttar Pradesh, Sundarban Wetland from the West Bengal. So these all are the 37 sites which have been part of the Ramsar wetland list from the India as of February 2020. Now again in the coming new years, they have been taken as they has been keep selecting the site from the India. So in many of the competitive exams, the questions had been asked related to the Ramsar Convention, where it was taken place, and name of the site. Sometimes he would ask the name of the site and select the correct form of it. So from now in 2019, mostly site has been taken from the Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. Most of the site has been taken because prior to it, actually there was only one site from the Uttar Pradesh, and none of the site belonged to the Uttar Pradesh. But in 2019, most of the site has been taken from the Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Collectively, if you take about, that means the site has been taken from all across the India. You take from the Rajasthan, you take from West Bengal, Kerala, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. So collectively they have been taken. So these are the sites which are well known or they have a very unique features in terms of wetlands. So collectively the whole convention is trying to sustain them, and that is to conserve these wetland sites. So this is all about the Ramsar Convention. How many sites are in Ramsar Convention, and these are the sites related to the India. So I hope you have been gone up clearly with the Ramsar Convention and the sites which are related to it, which are belong to India. So in the next class we come up with the new topic. So thank you for watching.